Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to attempt to remove the old fuel tank and put the new fuel tank in. I have the car out on the street because my garage is full of stuff everywhere. It's hot outside, but I'm going to try to do it. So here we go. I'm going to leave the phone in the garage so that it doesn't overheat and record from there. Disclaimer, I am no professional mechanic. I've never done anything like this before. So you guys just bear with me. Okay, so I got the car on the jack stands. Took the wheels off. I had to take this little shield off from here. Remove this brake line bracket. And then there's also the the ABS bracket, ABS wire or speed sensor wire bracket was behind it. And then there was also this protective cover that was back here. Took 4 10mm bolts to get them off, but they're sitting right there. So now I gotta go ahead and remove 4. There's one 10mm bolt and then 3 10mm nuts. There's one right there, and then you can see there's 2 right there. Alright, so we had this tab that came bent and also this one, but I use the pliers to bend it back in place somewhat. We're taking off these old brackets off of the original fuel tank and then mounting them onto these. We got 2 in, we got 2 more to go. Once we get those on, then we're gonna go ahead and take the new fuel tank and put it in. And that's my neighbor Brian. He lives to the right of me. And then Bob was here earlier. He lives to the left. I gotta put the C-clamp on the other side, but as you can see, the new fuel tank is in. I had to drop pretty much the cradle and the subframe, everything in one. So you got 1 bolt, 2 bolts, 3 bolts, and then you have 3 on the other side. That's 6. Had to disconnect some of these brake lines, the speed sensor cable back here. Also had to back off the nut for the struts. You got 1 right here and then 1 on that side. Same thing on this side. it was a pain in the butt getting these hoses off. It's gonna be easier to put on, but freaking hard to get off. Okay, so I got this side buttoned back up, everything, all these brake lines and speed sensor cable. This is the speed sensor cable. I have to take that bracket off for the speed sensor cable and the brake lines. Also, I have to take that brake line off. So under here is where the fuel filter is. I took it off, and the gas that came out it was bad, but it wasn't what I expected. I expected worse. I thought it would have been clogged up with that black gooey stuff, but it was not. So I lucked out on that. So right now I got a button back up in here, and then come in here and put these things back on. Alright, so that bracket, alright, so I'm gonna have a problem, because the bracket that was holding this was more to this side. The bracket that they put on here, it's like maybe about 4-5 inches away from where it should be. So I'm not too sure how I'm gonna work that, but oh my gosh, I gotta take care of this. It's like 19 minutes to 8. I don't know if, probably just gonna button these back up and push the car back in the driveway. Alright, so everything is back on. I gotta put back on the wheel. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a night. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, put on your notification icon. You can also check the Instagram page off of the YouTube page. It's GT Boy or GTB Garage. See you on the next one.